Hey guys, welcome back, and today we'll show you how to import reviews from Amazon to your Shopify website. So here you can see a product from the Amazon store, and if you scroll down, you can see all the reviews for said product. What we want to do is add these reviews and display them on our Shopify site with this exact product in mind. In order to do this, go back to your Shopify store and underneath the search, click on Apps. After clicking Apps, select App and Sales Channel Settings. And on the upper right-hand corner, click on Shopify App Store. Once in the Shopify App Store, on the search bar on the upper part, select Ali Reviews. Make sure it's the same Ali Reviews as shown here, and go ahead and add it to your Shopify apps. From there, install the app. And then open the app Ali Reviews. Once you're in the Ali Reviews dashboard, click on Manage Reviews on the upper part of the dashboard itself. From there, you can see all the products you're displaying on your Shopify store from Amazon. Now what we want to do is select the product you wish to add reviews to, select Amazon Import checkbox, and go back to the Amazon URL for said product. Once you're there, copy the URL from your web browser, go back to Ali Reviews, and paste it underneath Amazon product URL. Select Should Have Images, select Should Have Feedback Text, and feel free to select the number of reviews you want to display on your Shopify store for that product. And that's it! You've now imported reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store for that product. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.